Your brain is running the wrong operating system, installed before you were 10, by parents who struggled, by teachers who settled, by a world that taught you money is hard. You are not broke because you lack skills. You are broke because your mental software is programmed for poverty. Someone went from financial scarcity to $13 million in 5 years. Not luck. They hacked their own brain. You do not have a money problem. You have a mindset problem. Mindset is just programming. Programming can be rewritten. Welcome to the CEO Brain Library. Let us fix you. Your external reality is a direct reflection of your internal programming. Raised in scarcity? Your software is programmed for poverty. You ask, how do I make money when I have none? That is not a strategy question. That is a programming question. Your brain cannot see the answer because it does not believe the question is valid. The door is not locked. Your brain just told you it was. The difference between millionaires and everyone else is not intelligence, not education, not luck. Mental programming. People who grow up wealthy do not work harder than you. They have better programming. Their baseline expectation is success. Yours is struggle. You can rewrite the code, but you have to know what you're changing. Your brain has two invisible boundaries. The floor. Minimum struggle your brain considers normal. Life gets too easy? Your brain creates problems to return to the floor. The ceiling. Maximum wealth you feel you deserve? Exceed it? Self-sabotage. You lose money. Make bad decisions. Push people away. You have hit your ceiling before. Made money. Lost it. Got close. Sabotaged it. That was not bad luck. That was your programming. Your ceiling is not real, but your brain treats it as a wall. To become a millionaire, raise your ceiling. Lower your floor. We taught you money was hard. Who taught you rich people are bad? Who taught you to not deserve abundance? Those voices are not yours. They are recordings. Delete them. Self-sabotage is not weakness. It is programming. Change the code. Change the outcome. The reticular activating system, RAAs. It filters information. Shows you what you tell it is important. Hides everything else. Right now, our RAs is programmed for scarcity. Shows you problems, limitations, reasons things will not work. It hides opportunities. Solutions? The path to wealth. The opportunities are in your hand. You just have not told your brain to look there. Reprogram your RAs. Every morning ask, what opportunities am I missing? What would I see if I believed success was inevitable? People who write down goals daily are 42% more likely to achieve them. Not because the universe changes, because their RAs changes. Your brain shows you what you tell it matters. Tell it to look for wealth. It will find it. The shift from scarcity to abundance almost never happens without a catalyst. For one person, it was death. A close family member died suddenly. Something shifted. You are waiting for motivation. The right time. Proof you can succeed. You do not have time to wait. Someday is not a date. Someday is a lie. You do not need to wait for tragedy. Manufacture your own catalyst. Ask yourself, if I had 1 year to live, what would I do? If I took full responsibility for my future right now, what would I change? Do not wait for the wake-up call. Set the alarm yourself. The 5 a.m. routine. Not because morning people are better, because consistency beats natural inclination. You wait until you feel like it. Until you are motivated. Until conditions are perfect. Conditions are never perfect. Motivation is a liar. Discipline is the only truth. The first hour of your day predicts the next 16. 3 components. Spiritual grounding. Prayer or meditation. 10 minutes. Remove doubt. Physical anchors. Vision boards. Affirmations. Your RAs needs targets. Identity statements. Read aloud. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I'm capable. I'm a millionaire in training. Your brain believes what you tell it. Tell it the truth. Discipline in the morning creates possibility for the rest of the day. You say I will be a millionaire. That is future, distant, abstract. Your brain does not know what to do with it. You need present identity statements. I am, not I will be. I am. The gap between who you are and who you want to be is closed by identity, not action. I am statements define present identity. I am healthy. I am wealthy. I'm capable. I am disciplined. I will statements define future milestones. I will be a millionaire by 25. I will retire my mother. I will change the world. Write both. Read them daily. Trains your brain for now. I will gives your brain a target. Your brain cannot become what it cannot imagine. Imagine it. Say it. Become it. Reprogramming requires strict control over inputs. Your brain is a sponge. You scroll social media 2 hours a day. Watch news. Listen to people who never achieved what you want. You are feeding your brain junk food, wondering why your thinking is weak. You would not eat poison. Why do you consume it? Your information diet is more important than your food diet. Replace social media with books. 1 hour of reading per day is 365 hours per year. That is 45 8-hour workdays. A full-time job of learning. Replace music with educational content. Your car is a classroom. Your headphones are a university. Create distance from people with mental resistance. You cannot rise higher than your closest relationships. Audit your inputs. If it is not serving your goal, change it. Most people focus on the how. How do I make money? How do I start a business? These questions create a barrier. Your brain cannot answer how without a compelling why. You want strategy before purpose, tactics before motivation. Does not work that way. When your why is strong enough, the how reveals itself. One person did not know how to scale to $13 million. They knew why. To provide for family, to create freedom, to honor lost time. The how came through action. One step, then another. Stop asking how. Start asking why. When the why is clear, the how becomes inevitable. 3 steps. Simple. Not easy. Step 1. Clear mental resistance. Use meditation or prayer. Release control over the unchangeable. Take responsibility for what you can change. Distance yourself from others' limiting beliefs. Step 2. Program new identity. Write your I am and I will statements. Put them on your bathroom mirror, phone, wallpaper, car dashboard. Interact daily. Step 3. Take aligned action. Every decision aligns with your new identity, not your current circumstances. Take calculated risks. Invest in yourself. Your old programming will scream. Do not listen. This costs nothing. Requires no permission. Takes 20 minutes a day. You will not do it. Not because it is hard, because it requires admitting your current identity is the problem. Consistency over months and years makes success inevitable. Your brain is running the wrong operating system, installed before you were 10. You can rewrite it. The floor and ceiling are not real. They are programming. Raise the ceiling. Lower the floor. Your ass is waiting for instructions. Tell it to look for wealth. It will find it. Your why is waiting to be discovered. Find it. The how will follow. Your identity is waiting to be claimed. Claim it. Act from it. Become it. The difference between millionaires and everyone else is not intelligence, not luck, not connections. It is programming. Programming can be rewritten. Start tomorrow morning. Wake at 5 a.m. Say your I am statements. Take one aligned action. This is the CEO Brain Library. High signal briefs for leaders with no time to waste. Subscribe. Reprogram your brain. Watch your reality follow.